Sung Sôt. Sung Sôt. Okay. This place is Sung Sôt. We have to walk for around 2 kilometers to reach the final destination from where we're gonna get picked up by someone and then we're gonna get on the bus. People can't walk for 2 kilometers. They decided to stay on the boat or ship. The boat's gonna take them to the final destination, but people who can walk, they can walk for 2 kilometers.
2 kilometers, but only 1 kilometer we go up.
1 kilometer.
Up and down, and 1 kilometer go down.
Yeah, that's fine. One kilometer, how many stairs? 500 stairs. Looks like quite hard. Like the sign actually told us that 1 kilometer we have to go via stairs. It's like go up, like on a steep slope, up some kind of stairs. 1 kilometer is like a smooth, flat road. So, don't know how long it's gonna take. I suppose it's gonna take more than half an hour. So we're gonna go inside the Sung Sôt Cave. And it's gonna be less than a kilometer long.
People buy these in ads or something. Over 23, bro.
In the caves and rooms, you have to see all the real dots in the church.
Indian caves.
The bronze was like 100.
Oh yeah.
Like a little pond inside the cave. Crocodile. It's a long cave. Okay, let's go. You don't have to stop, Daniel.
Now you can see from outside is 1, 3 black elephant. Alright? One small hole. Right? They follow the monkey. Pass over, that's one they reach here. Oh, inside small hole. There's small beautiful cave here. And they found small lake on the left side. Small lake. Alright. Fresh water. Fresh water. You see around here is sea. And now this cave above sea level 25 meters. But we have fresh water. But It's not rainwater. Right. You come here in the summer, maybe that's rainwater, maybe 1 month later, a lot of heavy rain drop down, and that's Today have you been there? Today have you been there? Not yet. Yeah, right. That's the top. That's as it's going. After you pass over the third chapel, you will reach there, and from there you can take a beautiful photo. And if you feel so tired, very fast to come back to boat. Okay, thank you. Something I want to show you here. Let's think of it. What is that?
Monkey.
Yeah, monkey. Can you see? Monkey. Head, body, hand, and the leg. Monkey, koala bear. Monkeys climb or nut. We'll take a nut for you. Okay? Yeah. And one more thing. Last one.
Some place, right?
Face. Yeah, old man face. Oh, right. And if you see, hold the body. Someone said that it looks like a lion. It's lion. Lion is like the body of lion. 2 legs, leg. The face. Lion is lion. And beautiful waterfall. Good. Ladies and gentlemen, we keep moving to the third chapel. There's one thing. What makes every place feel surprised?
I'm so surprised.
Yeah, let's see what's surprising.
Big surprise.
We're gonna see something surprising. Oh, another cave. We have to go inside.
Tour này chỉ tour Hạ Long hay là tour nào?
Không có chứ chị. Mình có sofa thôi. Nói chung là quanh miền Bắc có hết.
Bóng những gì mà để lần sau mình nhìn hay nhau.
Cái gì? Sao cười? What is that?
This was a surprise. Yeah, it's very surprising.
What beauty.
Yeah, nice. It's a pillar. Pillar, you know pillar? Pillar. Normal pillar. Pole. Just few more steps and we're gonna get out of the cave and then reach at the top, from where I suppose we have to take the stairs to get down to the road. So that's the end of the cave. Voila, finally reached. That's the end. But we have to take more stairs, and from those stairs we have to get down to the end of the road where we're gonna catch the bus.